We've long relied on familiar tools to connect wires. But twisting and taping takes time and labor until someone imagines a better way. What if you didn't have to strip the wire at all? What if, instead, you could strip away inefficiency, tight spaces, delays from poor connections, the hassle of mismatched wire sizes? What if all of this were solved? At ALPHAO, we believe innovation starts by making things simpler and faster. Just insert the wire into the connector and press to make the connection. With a single push, anyone can connect quickly and easily, even non-experts. With ALPHAO, the same connection can be completed in under 10 seconds. Cut work time by 70%, reduce labor costs, and streamline your online process. Innovation isn't always complicated. It's often about making things clearer and simpler. The workflow is easy. Insert the two wires into the connector. Close the cover and seal it with the tool. ALPHAO offers 6 key advantages. First, no wire stripping. Second, no twisting copper conductors together. Third, no insulating tape or similar treatments. Fourth, simple handling, easy for anyone to use. Fifth, no risk of electric shock. Sixth, over 70% savings in labor costs. With the IT type, one push completes the connection and the installation in a single step. Even complex branching is handled easily with a single push. You can process 4 conductors at once, quickly and safely. Multiple lines connect simultaneously with precision, enabling up to 5 connections in one go. ALPHAO also provides additional product lines. With our waterproof housing and the CDT16, you can achieve T-type branching in CD conduit with a fully waterproof seal. We are continuously developing new products, including waterproof housings for paired lines, extra high voltage connectors, a non-interruption loopback device, and terminal-type connectors. All ALPHAO products are made in Korea by a technology venture holding multiple patents and certifications. We don't just make and sell parts. We deliver safety, convenience, and cost efficiency to every worksite. To fit any industry, ALPHAO offers a wide range of models. For example, electrical construction, lighting projects, smart city infrastructure, smart farms, LED lighting, manufacturer wire connections, automotive tuning, DIY applications. Experience more, your partner in safety and efficiency. ALPHAO.